Okay, so we've now completed the tune. Just a bit of a rundown. In the past, Justin had brought the car to us and we've done a stage 1, stage 2, and now stage 3. So basically the car's got the K&N cold air intake, it's got the Herod Motorsports water to air intercooler kit, as well as their pulley upgrade, which gives us a little bit more boost over standard. We've obviously done the fuel injectors, the fuel pump, and we've just recently installed the upgraded high-amp fuel pump relay, as well as the Pirotta flex fuel kit. Works a treat on the car. If you come and have a look. So the results are 461 kilowatts, 724 newton meters of torque. Now that's with 98 octane fuel, and that is basically a stage 3 package. Now with the flex fuel kit on board and the tune being redone to suit E85 fuel, we're 505 kilowatts with 769 newton meters of torque. It's around 44 kilowatt increase in power. Some people might say that's pretty average, but these Coyotes are a very efficient engine, so the gains are not as good as what you would see on a Barra. However, 44 kilowatts from just the fuel change is pretty damn good.
Thanks for watching another Independent Motorsports video. Give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video and consider subscribing and ticking the bell to be notified when our next video is uploaded. You can also keep up to date with our events, news and sales by following us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and even Snapchat.